friends, and hello patrons. This video is to show you guys what we were able to get with your contributions. My old Hero 3 GoPro is pretty much toast at this point. The audio is really terrible, and a lot of the files have been corrupt and stuff when I go to transfer them, and the batteries are just shot. I've replaced the batteries several times, and I mean, it's pretty old, Hero 3, So last month was the highest amount we've ever received from our patrons, because we have a lot of new subscribers and a lot of new patrons, and we really appreciate it. So we decided to take that money and put it towards a new GoPro. So here it is. Let's go ahead and check it out. Camille is working in New York City for the next week and a half, and she sends her love. But this GoPro will document all of our adventures this summer, as well as this weekend. Me and my little brother Colby Thorpe are sailing to Catalina Island, to Emerald Bay, to go scuba diving. So we're going to test out the GoPro and see how she works. Now, the contributions from our patrons last month totaled like $205, I believe. And as I said, that's the most we've ever gotten. The new GoPro 7, which is brand new model, it has, one of the really cool factors is it has like image stabilization, very similar to a gimbal. So now when we're holding the camera and stuff, it won't be so shaky when we're going on hikes, when we're underwater. So you can get them for like $350 or something. I ordered like a kit that has 2 batteries and a battery charger and the GoPro 7. So let's check out the kit. And this kit cost me $379. And so with your contributions, the $205, me and Camille ended up contributing $70 or $174 to get this new setup. So the videos from here on out will actually be because of you and with your help. So we're very grateful. So here's one of the new batteries. The other battery. Oh, it came with SD cards, like 64 gigs and 16 gigs. So we have 2 cards. Plus, I think I have another 16 gig card from in my old GoPro. And then here's our new GoPro Hero 7 Black. It's like the best one you can get right now. Here she is. Very beautiful. Super excited. It's got the hyper smooth stabilization, it says. And all the reviews I've read about this are incredible. I wouldn't have been able to swing getting this GoPro at the moment if it weren't for your help. So thank you so much, and this will improve the video quality, so hopefully the videos will be looking better. Separately from this, I had to buy the dive housing. This is one cool thing about the new GoPros is this is waterproof up to 33 feet underwater, which in scuba diving terms is 1 atmosphere. I guess it's 2 atmospheres. The atmosphere, and then there's below 33 feet, you're under 2 atmospheres. But the cool thing about this being waterproof without a housing is now when we're sailing and stuff, I don't have to worry about it being in the housing and compromising the audio quality. It can get wet and it's no big deal. The other cool thing is we'll be able to just dunk this under, get some footage of dolphins without the dive housing, and maybe you guys will be able to hear the dolphins like we hear them a little better. So that's pretty neat. But yeah, I did get the dive housing because we regularly dive to like 100 feet. So very excited about this GoPro. So just, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been immense. We've gotten a lot of new subscribers, and me and Camille, thank you from the bottom of our hearts for your help. And we're going to keep bringing you these videos, and now they'll look even better. I'll let you guys know how this turns out and what the footage looks like and how it's doing for us. So thanks again for your help. Me and Camille really appreciate it, and Mr. Steady.